Hello friends, this is another tutorial in the series of HTML5. If you have missed any of the previous tutorial, please look at them before you start this tutorial. This tutorial is all about application cache. Nowadays, in the web development industry, this is a buzzword. With HTML5, it is easy to make an offline version of a web application by creating a cache manifest file. We will look what is cache manifest file when we proceed. A web application is cached and accessible without an internet connection. That is, we can use the application while we are offline. Application cache is supported in all major browsers except Internet Explorer. Application cache gives an application three advantages. First is offline browsing. Users can use the application when they are offline, so reducing the server hits. Another is speed. It speeds up the loading. The last but not the least is reduced server load. The browser will only download updated or changed resources from the server, thus saving in the loading time of the server. So this is the application cache manifest file example. This is an HTML document with a cache manifest. So in order to make a web page cacheable, we need to include a manifest tag. Here in our case it is demo.appcache. Then comes the body of the document. To enable application cache, include the manifest attribute in the document's HTML tag. Every page with the manifest attribute specified will be cached when the user visits it. The recommended file extension for manifest file is .appcache. So as you have mentioned in a previous file, we have named it demo.appcache. So this is the extension. Also, the web server needs to be configured for that MIME type. So the manifest file has three sections. First is cache manifest. Files listed under this header will be cached after they are downloaded for the first time, so they persist. Other is network. Files listed under this header require a connection to the server and will never be cached. Registration and login files fall into this category. The last one is fallback. Files listed under this header specifies fallback pages if a page is not accessible, that is, we are offline. This is the complete cache manifest file. First one is the cache manifest. These files are cached first time we visit the web page. The other is network. So in network category, login page that is never cached. The last one is fallback. It is used as backup. As every coin has two sides, cache is no exception. Once a file is cached, the browser will continue to show the cached version even if you change the file on the server. To ensure the browser updates the cache, you need to change the manifest file. So keep in mind that some of the big players in the market like Facebook are using the app cache. So you need to use it wisely. So this was all about application cache in HTML5. Thank you.